Well, hello boys. Hello world. Bike check na naman tayo. Yan. Before we do the bike check, shout out muna tayo dyan kay Giantamayo. What's up my brother? All the way from the motherland. Ito po ay Forbidden Dreadnought. Ayan po siya. Trouble po neto is 170 sa harap, 160 sa likod. It is Fox 38. Orange. Nakita nyo naman yung spoke. Man, this is a candy paint. Customized. Tapos Hydra. Hub. XO. Derailleur. Ayan po. Eggplant color. Parang pinkish siya yung hub niya. This is a customized Forbidden. Ayan po siya. Buy anong year to buy? Year 2022. It's a flow stands, wheel set. Tapos factory X2 Fox. Nakita nyo naman. Naka TRP ano yan, TRP brake. At ilalayo natin para makita natin yung pagka candy paint color customized niya. Again, this is the Forbidden Dreadnought 2022. Enjoy. Have a blessed, wonderful day, man. Peace from Lodis Brothers.